Imagine having a dedicated team that never sleeps, never takes a break, and never asks for a day off. Picture a workforce that's always on, laser-focused on your goals, and ready to tackle your to-do list at any hour, whether it's the middle of the night or the crack of dawn. This isn't just a dream for the future, it's quickly becoming a reality. This isn't science fiction. In 2025, AI agents are your personal, free digital workforce, intelligent software that can handle tasks, projects, and even complex problem-solving, all without you lifting a finger. These digital teammates are always available, adapting to your needs and working behind the scenes to keep you ahead. Unlike old-school automation, which could only follow rigid instructions, these new AI agents are different. They don't just repeat the same task over and over, they can actually think, plan, and execute entire projects for you. They learn from your preferences, adapt to new challenges, and can even collaborate with other agents or people to get things done. All you have to do is set the goal, or describe the outcome you want. The agent will break down the process, figure out the best steps, and handle the details, freeing you up to focus on the big picture or your next big idea. It's like hiring a junior employee, but this one is pure software. No onboarding, no paperwork, and it's ready to work instantly. You don't have to worry about training or supervision. Your digital agent is always prepared to jump in and help. And here's the best part. This isn't just for big companies with huge budgets. Students juggling assignments, solo founders building startups, freelancers managing multiple clients, anyone with a project or a dream can use AI agents to level up their productivity and get more done, faster than ever before. The barrier to entry is almost zero. You don't need to be a tech expert or have a team of engineers. With just a few clicks, you can unlock a massive productivity boost and start achieving more than you thought possible. Offload the tedious, repetitive work and reclaim your time for what truly matters, your ideas, your creativity, and the projects that excite you. Let the AI handle the busy work while you focus on innovation and growth. The real question isn't if you'll use AI agents, but when and how you'll use them to get ahead. Will you be an early adopter, or will you wait and watch as others gain the edge? The choice is yours, but the opportunity is here now. In this video, we'll break down what AI agents are, how they work, and how you can get started today for free. We'll show you how these digital teammates can transform your workflow and open up new possibilities. We'll cover the essential tools, real-world use cases, and simple steps to launch your very first agent. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, you'll learn how to harness the power of AI agents and take your productivity to the next level. Let's dive in. So, what is an AI agent? You might have heard the term thrown around a lot lately, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down in simple terms. An AI agent is a type of software that doesn't just sit and wait for instructions. It actively perceives its environment, makes decisions based on what it observes, and then takes actions to achieve a specific goal you set for it. Think of it as a step beyond chatbots or virtual assistants you might already use. While chatbots can answer questions or hold a conversation, AI agents are designed to actually get things done for you. For example, ChatGPT can give you information or generate text, but an AI agent can take that information and use it to perform real-world tasks on your behalf. Imagine you need to send an important email. Instead of just writing the message, an AI agent can log into your email account, paste the text, add the recipient, attach files if needed, and send it, all without you lifting a finger. The key difference is autonomy. You simply give the agent a high-level objective like, organize my schedule for next week, and it figures out the steps, breaks down the task, and executes each part automatically. It's like having a digital assistant that not only understands your needs but also takes care of all the little details, freeing up your time and energy for more important things. Imagine a researcher who not only finds the information you need but also organizes it, formats it, and delivers it to the right person or place, all on their own. AI agents can interact with the digital world, navigating websites, using apps, connecting to APIs, and moving seamlessly between different platforms to complete tasks from start to finish. In this way, AI agents bridge the gap between simply having information and actually taking meaningful action with it. Instead of painstakingly telling your computer every step, you just tell it what you want to achieve, and the agent figures out how to get it done. No programming skills required, just a clear goal or instruction. The agent handles the rest, making technology more accessible than ever. This shift is making complex automation and productivity tools available to everyone, not just tech experts or large companies. AI agents are doers, not just calculators or information sources. They're designed to take initiative and handle real work for you. That's the power of your new digital workforce. AI agents that can transform the way you work, automate the mundane, and help you focus on what truly matters. How does an AI agent think? It's powered by a large language model like the brain behind ChatGPT. You give it a goal and the LLM interprets your request, breaking it into logical steps. For example, find the top 3 coffee shops nearby with outdoor seating. The agent plans, get your location, search, filter, check reviews, and present results. It adapts if things don't go as planned, trying new approaches until it succeeds. The process is a loop: goal, plan, action, observe, replan. The agent keeps cycling until the task is done. This combination of language understanding and logical planning lets agents handle complex, multi-step tasks. It's not just about knowing things, it's about getting things done. Agents self-correct and adapt, making them robust in real-world situations. That's how your digital workforce thinks and acts for you. Once the agent has a plan, it gets to work. This is where the magic truly begins. The agent takes your instructions and starts breaking them down into manageable steps, just like a diligent assistant would. Each action is carefully considered, ensuring nothing is missed along the way. Each step in the plan triggers a specific tool or action, like using GPS to find your location, or searching Google for coffee shops. The agent knows exactly which resources to use for each task, switching seamlessly between apps, websites, and databases to gather the information you need. The agent acts one step at a time, observes the results, and feeds new info back into its brain. It's constantly learning from what it finds, adapting its approach if something unexpected comes up, and making sure it stays on track. It checks off its internal to-do list, constantly comparing progress to your original goal. If a step needs to be repeated or adjusted, the agent handles it automatically, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. For example, it might scan web pages for keywords like outdoor seating and star ratings. It can even filter out irrelevant results, focusing only on the details that matter most to you. The agent gathers, filters, and organizes data, holding it in short-term memory. It keeps track of everything it finds, sorting and prioritizing information so you get the most relevant results. When it's done, it synthesizes the results into a clear, easy-to-read summary. Instead of overwhelming you with raw data, the agent distills everything into a concise report, highlighting the key points and recommendations. You get a finished answer, not just raw data. The agent's goal is to save you time and effort, delivering exactly what you asked for in a format that's ready to use. The agent handles the entire workflow, thinking, acting, and reporting back. It's like having a dedicated team working behind the scenes, managing every detail from start to finish. All you did was give the initial prompt. The agent takes care of the rest, freeing you up to focus on bigger priorities. That's the magic of AI agents. Full task automation, start to finish. They work tirelessly, efficiently, and without distraction, ensuring your goals are met every time. Your digital workforce in action, making complex tasks simple and turning your ideas into reality with just a single command. Why care about AI agents? Simple, they save you time. Agents automate tedious digital chores, research, scheduling, emails, so you can focus on what matters. For solo founders and small teams, agents multiply your capacity, acting as marketing, sales, and admin assistants. In your personal life, they can plan trips, manage routines, or help you learn new skills. The real benefit is reducing cognitive load. Outsourcing entire task chains preserves your focus for creative work. Agents let you work smarter, not harder. They handle the process. You focus on the purpose. In 2025, that's a huge advantage. The digital workforce is here to boost your productivity. Let agents do the busy work so you can do your best work. Let's see what people are doing with agents right now. Students use agents for literature reviews, finding, summarizing, and organizing research overnight. Entrepreneurs automate market analysis, gathering product data and customer feedback in hours, not weeks. Content creators delegate research, script writing, and even title generation to agents. Everyday users plan meals, create shopping lists, and manage budgets with a single prompt. Agents handle the legwork, from web searches to organizing information. They're not just for techies, anyone can use them to solve real problems. The possibilities are exploding, limited only by your imagination. Agents are practical tools for work and life. They turn big, time-consuming projects into simple, automated workflows. That's the real-world power of AI agents. Your digital workforce is already making a difference. Ready to try an AI agent? Here's how to start. No coding needed. Step 1. Pick a free agent platform like Agent GPT or AutoGPT. Step 2. Define a clear goal. For example, find the top 5 AI news articles from the last 24 hours. Summarize each. Step 3. Enter your goal and deploy the agent. Watch as it breaks down the task, searches the web, reads articles, and compiles summaries. You'll see its progress in real time, each action, observation, and decision. The agent keeps working until it's satisfied your request. In minutes, you get a formatted list of articles and summaries. You've just delegated your first real task to an AI agent. The process is simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful. Experiment with different goals to see what agents can do. The more you try, the more you'll discover. Your digital workforce is ready. Just give it a job. You don't need a big budget or tech skills to use AI agents. Start with Agent GPT, user-friendly, web-based, and requires zero setup. Just type your goal and watch the agent work. For more power, try AutoGPT. Open source, runs on your computer, and handles complex tasks. Hugging Face offers hundreds of free, specialized agents for everything from summarizing papers to generating code. Explore their spaces for interactive demos and new ideas. Big tech tools like Google's AI and Microsoft Copilot are adding agent features too. These platforms make automation seamless in everyday apps. Try a few tools and see which fits your workflow. The key is to start experimenting. Set a simple goal and let the agent handle it. The digital workforce is accessible to everyone. Dive in and see what you can automate. AI agents are here. They're practical, accessible, and ready to work for you. We've covered what they are, how they think, and how they save you time. The barrier to entry is gone. You just need a clear goal. The only limit now is your imagination. The most successful people will be those who experiment and delegate tasks to agents. Don't wait for perfection. Jump in and try it now. Pick a free tool, set a fun or useful task, and watch your agent go. The first time you see it work, you'll realize this is a turning point in tech. We're moving from telling computers how to do things to simply telling them what we want. It's a new partnership. You provide the vision, agents handle the execution. The tools are here, they're free, and they're waiting for your instructions. So, what will you build with your digital workforce?